Hi everyone and welcome to Project Station. This video starts our React.js series. We will create a React app and build our first React component. In this series, we will learn React step by step. We will start with the basics and slowly move to more advanced topics. You don't need to worry about everything now. We will take it one step at a time. In this video, we will start with the first step. Before we write any React code, we need a React app. We will create the app using Vite. So open your terminal and run these commands with me. npm create Vite at latest. Give your project a name. I'm giving React Essentials. Hit enter. Now you can choose the framework using arrow keys. I am choosing React and hitting enter. Now choose JavaScript. Now you will see few more options. For use roll down Vite, choose no. Install with npm and start now, choose yes. Once the setup is complete, you should now see the app running in the browser. Let's copy this URL from the terminal and paste it into the browser's address bar. Now open the project in code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Let's go to app.jsx. This file contains the main component of the app. Everything you see on the screen comes from this component. In React, a component is just a JavaScript function. This function returns JSX. JSX looks like HTML, but it is written inside JavaScript. Now let's create our first React component. For now, we will create it in the same file. Above the app function, let's create a new function called header. Components names must start with a capital letter. Every component must return JSX. For now, return some simple content. If the JSX has more than one line, wrap it in the parentheses. Right now, the header component is not used. In React, we don't call components like normal functions. We use them like HTML tags. Now in the app component, let's remove this extra code and add the header component inside its JSX. You can write it as a normal tag or as a self-closing tag. If it's self-closing, don't forget the slash. Let's save the file. You should now see the header on the screen. At this point, the header appears in the center of the page. This happens because Vite adds some default CSS. To keep things simple, let's remove unnecessary styles from app and index.css. This helps us see the component layout clearly without extra styling. After removing the CSS, the header moves to the top of the page. We now have a clean React app. We have created and rendered our first custom component. This is the foundation of React. Everything else builds on this. In the next video, we will start making components more useful. We will learn how to pass data to them. So see you in the next one.